Hi, everybody. This is Sam Hunter at Hunter's Design Studio. And today I'm at the Montavilla Sewing Center in Lake Oswego in Oregon, close to Portland, with Irena. And we're going to go over a bunch of different sewing machines today so that we can help you make a better choice when you're shopping for a sewing machine. Alrighty? All right. So the first thing that the questions that I get asked all the time is, what is the difference between a basic mechanical machine and then a one that has more electronics?
Okay.
So can we discuss that first? Like,
Absolutely.
why would you go in one direction over the other?
There are multiple features and multiple benefits of why to do so. And
Okay.
depending what type of sewing you do, you can go and choose what works for you the best. Basic mechanical machines are great. They sew. They will do straight stitch. A lot of them offer more than that, and even the buttonhole and needle threader type of bobbin can determine which model works better for you. But main difference between basic computerized, like if you look right here and right here, basic mechanical, basic computerized. Basic mechanical machine means we have to turn dials to get to whatever particular stitch you need to get. You need to realize, you need to know what proportions of the stitch to set, stitch length and stitch width. You need to know where those dials are. With basic computerized machine, every stitch is preset for you already.
Okay.
You're still a boss. You can change proportions for those stitches easily because you might want it to be wider or narrower, but at the same time stitches are all done for you. And screen, little small screen, gives you all the information you need as what foot to use. There is always a letter of the foot. Each foot has a number or letter for all the brands. It will give you stitch width, stitch length, and number of the stitch. It will suggest, oh, you can use even foot control if you'd like. So
Okay.
that's a great benefit and less confusion, less frustration by choosing model like that. Another huge thing is needle up, needle down. Mechanical machines
Oh,
don't.
absolutely.
And a lot of us, like, you cannot sew without it. Imagine how much time you save by not turning your hand wheel every time. So needle up, needle down is there. And
Okay, let me stop you on that and just explain what that really means. On old machines, whenever you stopped, all the mechanics stopped wherever it was, and the needle could be halfway up or halfway down. And we would always have to go the other half distance with the hand wheel. When you have needle up, needle down, it stops in either one or the other, and you can set it. And it is one feature that I absolutely refuse to do without.
yeah, and it gives you
It's a
perfect
really,
stitch.
really important.
Yeah, your
Yeah.
stitches stays perfect.
Yeah.
So needle up, needle down, cutter. Many basic computerized machines
Cutter.
now have a cutter.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Man, I had to buy a really expensive one to get a cutter.
Nope, more and more now getting in needle threaders. You know, we didn't used to have needle threaders, but now we have needle threader. Another thing, like for basic computerized machines, you have stitches that are very beneficial. For example, if you're a quilter and you do applique.
Okay.
Imagine you do an applique and you want blanket stitch. Mechanical machines don't exactly have blanket stitch. They have overcasting stitches that might look kind of like that, but not true. So there are blanket stitches usually already offered to you. Where is our blanket stitch?
Where is our blanket stitch? Well, this is one of the versions,
One,
and some of the
here the thick left and right option, middle. So, and also decorative stitches. Pattern stitches like that only computerized machines can do.
Yeah.
And additional bonus for those who sew garments, buttonholes on basic computerized machines stitched truly all the way around for you automatically. Machine stops. You don't even have to push foot control. You can push start and stop button, which is again feature of basic computerized machine and not mechanical.
So we have starts and stops. So if you can't use a foot pedal or don't want to use a foot pedal, you can use it up here.
You can use
so that's an accessibility option.
Exactly, and you can control your speed so you don't feel like your machine is running away from you.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
So all those little details kind of thought through. So that's how like it's very nice basic computerized machine, but you can go any direction of sewing you want to. You want to quilt, please. As a quilting machine, for example, this particular model offers a very nice package of extension table and all the quilting accessories, which people usually buy additionally, and we know walking feet expensive.
Walking feet are really
free
expensive.
motion foot is another expense. 1/4 inch foot, decorative stitch foot. nice little box. On top of addition, on top of regular accessories this machine comes with, this is packaged as well with extension table. So that makes it very popular for many people to take to classes.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah, this isn't too heavy to carry around to class.
no, it's actually designed as a portable machine. That's why many of our customers love it for sewing classes.
I'm a big fan of the extension tables. I have sewing furniture, but I didn't have sewing furniture, dedicated sewing machine table that put my machine into the table for years. And the more table that you have in front of your needle, the more accurate you are with quilting. You get a straighter line when you're especially long strips.
I also, like, if you're doing quilting on a bigger piece, and I'm not talking like even king size, even baby quilt or lap size quilt, you're doing yourself huge favor by having extension, because this weight is managed for you. You're not the only one who is putting pressure on your neck and shoulders, and then you have to pay for expensive Pilates classes and go fix yourself. So extension table is less expensive, and many machines actually, the higher you go, a lot of machines actually come with them too now. So that's another plus. So, but yeah, so great little machine, adorable, and it's again basic computerized.